Hello, and welcome to a Converge Technology Professionals training session. Today we're going to be going over instant messaging through the Connect Client system. So with the Connect Client, there's a few ways to access the instant messaging system. So you could either just click in the directory and look for the person you want to send the instant message to, or you could go into your people area and pick the person you want to chat with. In either case, you'll notice that right next to a person's name, there's going to be a little word bubble right there, which will indicate whether they're available to chat or not. If it's green, that means that they're able to have an instant message because their application is on. Usually, if it's gray, that means that their instant messaging, their Connect client is off, so you won't be able to chat with them. So we'll go ahead and send a message over to Liz here. So once you click on their name, on the bottom here, you'll see that you'll have an area where you can type a message on. So we'll say, hello. And then she'll receive a message over on her side, and then she'll respond as need be. You could also do messaging while you're in a phone conversation as well. There we go, and she responded back. Now, any messages that you have made recently will also show up in the message section here. So if you had a conversation over the past couple of days, you'll be able to refer back to here and either restart the conversation or just track to see what was said. If you hover over any of the messages, it'll give you a date and time when the messages took place. All right, that'll be all. Have a good one. Thank you.